Hello everyone, welcome to another SEMRush tutorial video. In this tutorial video, I will show you how to use keyword magic tool. Not only that, I will show you how to find SEO positive keywords or keywords that will rank your articles, your blog articles primarily. And you can also find YouTube keywords as well for your YouTube channel. Yeah, let's get started. So before we get started, actually, you can click the first link down below if you want to get a 14-day free trial on SEMrush. Again, this is just for the people that are watching this video. So let's get started with it. First of all, you want to go to Keyword Magic Tool right here. And this is on the left side. Just go to the Keyword Magic Tool, and right here we can start with first keyword. The first keyword can be anything that you think of. For example, for me, I can go and type in iPhone. So since iPhone is very popular right now, I can go and type in iPhone. I can also type in iPhone 6, iPhone 7, iPhone 10, whatever, right? I can do that, but I will just go search, and I can also click here for United States because I want to search this within the United States territory or online. So let's go and search, and I will show you right now. It looks a lot like a lot of things right here at once, but I will show you how you can use this. As you can see, KD is keyword difficulty. This shows, as you can see, how hard it would be for a website to rank. So for example, if there is 100, that means that this is very hard to rank. As you can see, for the keyword Apple, it's very hard to rank. The volume is a lot, but it's very hard to rank. So what you want to look at here is you want to look at the volume, but you also want to look at KD. This is very important. The KD needs to be lower than the volume. Volume needs to be a lot higher, and the KD needs to be lower. So as you can see, for this is very hard. It will take a lot of on-page SEO, link building, and content promotion efforts in order to rank Apple keyword. However, as you can see, if I go here, I can also sort this by questions, but let me just first sort this by keyword difficulty. I can click once, I can click once more, and I will basically get the best keyword difficulty or very easy keywords that I can rank for. As you can see, this is very easy, so my chance for ranking on new pages for 24K gold iPhone 14 Pro is highly likely, right? If this was 100, then it's highly unlikely, right? So you need to aim for between it needs to be green. It needs to be green. Lime green, it means that it's not very easy to rank. And what I always want to do, and what I always doing when I'm ranking keywords, is I'm going to questions. So this will basically give you the list of questions that you can build your own articles around. So for example, I click on questions, and as you can see, I get a lot more volume right here. Obviously, this is still not that good volume, but if I go here and if I click on the volume, I will get more volume. Obviously, I will also get the KD as well upwards. So yeah, let's just go here and let's just click on this. But yeah, as you can see, for example, how is iPhone 11 Pro Max in Nigeria? This is a particular article that you can create, for your blog, because again, KD is lower. The volume is not so good. I gotta be honest with you. The volume here needs to be at least 500 to 1000 in order for you to rank this and in order for you to get some quality traffic. But as you can see, this is updated every 3 weeks. This is updated every 2 weeks. This is updated every month. So you can see how they're updating the keywords as well. Obviously, you can also have the broad search. This will do any variation of your C keyword or keyword phrase in any order. You can go by volume as well. You can click here by volume, and then you will get all the keywords by volume. And mainly, this is how you can do the keyword research. So again, if I want to go and if I want to if I have a particular keyword, I'll put keyword right here into keyword magic tool. I will search for only questions, and I will put the KD to be as low as possible while keeping the volume high. So again, high volume, low keyword difficulty, like this one, for example, and then you will be able to do wonders. So if I go here and if I click volume again, you will see that, for example, this is difficult. So you will need a lot of referred domains and optimized content. But for example, for this one, again, it's also difficult, but this one is very hard. So again, You right now know everything you really need to know about finding keywords on SEMrush through Keyword Magic tool. Again, if you want, you can check out our first link down below with our free SEMrush trial for 14 days, and you can try this yourself. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and we'll see you in the next video.